Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing my Facetory Lux Plus subscription. So this is my first time doing this box on my channel, but I have done Facetory subscriptions in the past. This one is a seasonal subscription where you get full-size skincare products and masks, almost kind of like Boutique, but instead of monthly, you get it every 3 months, and it is $49.95 for 3 months. I do pay for this myself, but I am an affiliate with Facetory, so if you are interested in anything, you can click my link in the description box. It is an affiliate link, or you can use the code AchelTheGreat20. I will have it on the screen here, but yeah, it's AchelTheGreat20 to save 20%, and that will save you 20% off your first month or your first like seasonal box with this. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I have tested all the products, so I know my full thoughts, and we're just gonna go over them and see whether or not this box was worth the $49 price tag. It does come with a little pamphlet that says like how to do a skincare routine, details on all the products, including the price, key ingredients, directions on how to use it. So that is really helpful, and I really appreciate that. They even have, like on two-step masks, they have picture instructions on how to use it. So I think they do a really good job with their informational booklet, and I really like that. The only thing is like keeping it with my skincare stuff while I'm testing it, it gets kind of wet and sticks together. So I mean, that's kind of a bummer, but that's my own personal problem. I think this booklet is really nice, and I really appreciate it. So let's go into the first product, which is the Facetory Cloud Puff Foam Cleanser. It retails for $16.95 and has chaga mushroom, which moisturizes skin while offering antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and oat extract, which is calming and helps skin relax and soothe and hydrate the skin. This cleanser is so cute. Like, the packaging is so adorable with the white and pink and the gold. I really love it, and it is super gentle and hydrating. A lot of cleansers will leave your skin feeling like stripped and dry afterwards, but this does not give that feeling. I have not tested its effectiveness in removing makeup because I do like to double cleanse, so I use an oil cleanser to remove my makeup and then go in with an actual like facial cleanser. So it does good being the second cleanser in my double cleansing routine, and I really like it. I'm not sure that I would pay $16.95 for a cleanser because that's kind of expensive to me. I tend to go on the cheaper end with cleansers because it's something that's not on your skin for very long. So I don't feel like you need to invest as much in it. But I do have a cleanser that I think I paid about $20 for that I really like. So I'd probably spend $17 on this, to be honest. The next product is the Logically Skin Hydro Multi-Shield Defense Logic. It retails for $29. It is a lightweight daily sun essence that has SPF 50+ to help protect skin from UV damage, premature aging, and dark spots. I really enjoy this. Even though it's $29 and it seems like such a small bottle, a little bit goes a long way, and I find that it is moisturizing enough that I can use this as both my daytime SPF and moisturizer in one, and it has a really nice smell. I really enjoy it. Has skincare ingredients other than just UV protection. It's supposed to brighten your skin and also anti-wrinkle it, and I noticed that immediately after I put it on, it has like a yellow tint to it. It has like a pale yellow tint to it, and it does like kind of immediately brighten my skin, and so even if I'm not wearing any makeup, I feel like it makes my skin look like immediately a little more perfected, and I really enjoy this. The next item is the Essen Herb Tea tea tree cream, which helps relieve inflammation, control sebum production, and fight blemishes. It has tea tree leaf extract, which is anti-inflammatory that helps with redness and inflammations, and Centella asiatica extract, which is calming and maintains the skin's natural oil-water balance and prevent future blemishes. And it retails for $25. So this cream is really like light. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it feels almost watery, and it is really nice and soothing, but they do say you're supposed to apply it after your toner, so you're not supposed to use this as like your last step, like your face cream. And I'm a little confused on where exactly this fits into my skincare routine and what purpose it serves. Like, is it a blemish treatment and then I still moisturize after it? Because it's really, really moisturizing. I don't know that I would spend $25 on this, just because it seems like an extra step that I don't really need, because I do have like a spot treatment for blemishes and I do have a moisturizer, so I really don't need this, even though it does feel nice and soothing and I really like it. It just seems like an extra step that I don't need. Next we have the Coscotti 35 Botanical Olive Facial Cleansing Oil. It retails for $20 and has Olay Europea Fruit Oil, which is packed with vitamin content to help strengthen skin and is great for moisturizing the skin without clogging pores. This is a really good cleansing oil. It removes everything, including my waterproof mascara. I really, really enjoy it. The only thing is it has a really like earthy smell. So if you don't like that like smell where it almost reminds you of like dirt, I don't know, you wouldn't enjoy this, but I think it's really nice and hydrating and it was really cleansing. I really enjoy it. I would definitely pay $20 for this. The next full-size skincare product is the Detox Skin Green Tea Eye Mask, which is a refreshing eye mask made of water-soluble pure hydrogel texture. It's cooling and depuffing and delivers moisture and a burst of nutrients right to your delicate under eyes. Has green tea powder, which is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that has smoothing, brightening, and protecting properties, and Micaria Dubai fruit extract packed with vitamin C. This ingredient helps to protect your skin from environmental damage that may cause fine lines, wrinkles, and darkness. These felt so cooling on my skin, and I loved how they didn't slide at all. Like, they really stayed in place during the 20 minutes that I had them on, and my under eyes felt so refreshed and like depuffed, and they were a little bit brightened. So I really like these, and you do get quite a bit in here for the $30. So I would say it is worth it. And I mean, just with the retail price of all the skincare products, not including the sheet mask that you get, I'd already say this box is worth it, honestly. I really love almost everything except for this cream, which I feel like is just an extra step that I don't need to add. But let's go ahead and go through the masks. So the first one is the Holika Holika Chamomile Tea Brew Sheet Mask. It retails for $5 and is a two-step sheet mask that infuses real chamomile tea leaves into the essence for a fresh and relaxing sheet mask experience. Has Chamomilla ricutita flower, a calming ingredient that helps moisturize the skin while minimizing redness, and Epilobium angustifolium flower leaf stem extract, which helps soothe blemishes and protect the skin, reducing environmental damage. So I felt this one was really moisturizing and calming and left me really glowy. I don't prefer multi-step masks, so I probably wouldn't repurchase this again, but it was nice. Next we have the Dewy Tree 100 Kika Mask. It is a super gentle and extra satisfying sheet mask that is 100% Centella asiatica extract. It will hydrate, heal, and protect your precious skin barrier. It retails for $3. I felt like this one helped minimize the breakouts that I was having, and it also hydrated my skin, so I would definitely get this again for $3. The next mask is the LaSalle Real Vitamin C Powder Mask. It's a 3-step sheet mask that contains vitamin C powder. It will help brighten tired, dull skin, leaving you with a radiant complexion. It retails for $5. This one was kind of fun to do because you like roll and like explode the packet down into the next step, and then tightly roll it and explode the packet down into the next step. So that was kind of a fun like multi-step process. But again, I don't love multi-step masks. I just kind of want to like throw the sheet on and just go. It was really brightening and moisturizing, so I did like it, but for $5 and having to go through multi-steps, I probably wouldn't get this one again. Next we have the Detox Skin Kale Cleanse Mask. It contains a combination of kale and tea tree extract to help relieve irritations while adding a burst of moisture, and it retails for $4. All of these masks pretty much, even though they have different ingredients, pretty much did the same thing. So this one was very soothing, but it also brightened and hydrated, and I really liked it. Next we have the Alicia Coy Lift Up Mushroom Mask. It retails for $3 and is a skin protecting sheet mask that provides skin with anti-aging benefits, smooth, moisturize, and strengthen your skin. I didn't notice any smoothing from this one, but it was moisturizing and brightening. I feel like maybe with my 31-year-old skin, I need something a little more powerful. I don't know, but I didn't notice any smoothing from this one, but I did enjoy it and I would do it again. Last but not least, we have the Cosmeti T3 Brightening Tea Ampule Mask. It retails for $3 and is a hydrating sheet mask with a light watery essence. This mask adds radiance and calms redness. I thought this one was brightening and hydrating, and I really enjoyed it, and I definitely do it again for $3. So overall, for the summer box, because this was the summer story box from the Facetory Lux Plus, do I think it is worth the $49? Absolutely. I think some of these products will become staples for me, like the cleansing oil and the SPF and other things I just really enjoy, like the eye masks, and even the cleanser is so nice. So I'm really going to enjoy adding these things into my skincare routine, and I think overall it was definitely worth the $49. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and let me know, you know, if you're gonna sign up for this, or what K-beauty or Korean skincare products you've tried recently. I'm always on the lookout for new stuff, so I'd love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, if you're interested in signing up, the code AchelTheGreat20 will get you 20% off your first month or anything on the website that you're interested in. So if you just want to like buy the cleansing oil on its own, you can go ahead and do that and get 20% off. Just keep that in mind, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.